Hi, I'm Steve with Safety Speed Manufacturing, showcasing our saw and router combination machines. So the SR5UA is our top-end model. The U and the SR5U stands for upgrade, which would be an upgraded skill worm drive saw motor and a heavier 3¼ horse Milwaukee router motor. The A in our SR5UA stands for aluminum composite, and that's a production machine accessorized for V-grooving ACM panels and fabrication. On the upgraded SR5U, we upgrade the router motor and the saw motor, but also the material rollers are solid aluminum compared with injection molded plastic on the SR5. One unique feature with our saw and router combination machines is the nylon subbase on the router carriage, which guarantees a consistent depth of cut when using the router for V-grooving on ACM panels and rabbets and dados and woodworking. So with the SR5UA package, there are a number of accessories that are included in that package. These quick stops, a 5-foot quick stop on the right, 8-foot on the left side, and that's a sliding stop for repeat cuts. The lower frame extensions, they come as a pair, 22 inches are added on both sides. The hold down bar, which applies pressure to thinner substrates to hold it against the frame. The backer board for thin material, and that's held in place by magnets on the inside. The midway fence, which is a removable shelf halfway up the frame. And that comes with the sliding stop. It also includes 4 flip stops that can be set for repeat cuts. Material clamps on the base for added clamping, the removable clamps for the midway fence, the fixed stand on the back keeps it freestanding, and the dust kit for dust collection. Everything up to your vacuum is included with the package. V-grooving bit for ACM panels and an aluminum composite saw blade is also included.